Let's take a look at the fork join framework in multithreading Java and where we can use it. So for example, in this case, we have a very simple case where we have an array and we need to calculate the sum of it. So here what we do, we are creating a fork join pool and we are invoking here pool, we are invoking and we are passing here the sum that we want to calculate. So for that, we are creating a new object, a sum task, and we are passing our array start and the full length of the array, and we are printing the whatever result that we get here. So let's go to the sum task and see that what we are doing here. In the sum task, we are extending a recursive task, and here in our constructor, right? So what we do in our constructor, we receive an array start and end, and the main part is happening in the compute. In the compute, what we do for calculating the sum, we are, if the size of the array is less than 3 or equals to 3, then in that case, we are just calculating the sum and returning it. If not, then we are parallelizing the process. The way we do that, for example, here, right, we are taking the mid and we are calculating the left side, and we are calculating the left side of the array, and we are calculating the right side of the array. Right side of the array, we are directly computing that, directly calculating that, but for the right side, we are asynchronously computing the left side. So here for that reason, we are calling a fork, we are asynchronously calculating it, and then we are calling a join, and we do that recursively, and at the end we are returning the result. Why it's important to know the fork join framework? Because it's used in a lot of cases. For example, in Java 8 for the streams and the similar, under the hood it uses fork join framework.